Hi, I'm Andrea Smith with Echo Park Paper, and I'm so excited to show you our new A Cozy Christmas collection. Our Cozy Christmas collection kit, you can see here that fun sleigh, the stocking, cute houses, and the cute boots. This is our solids paper pack. You're going to get 6 12 by 12 double-sided papers. You can see those fun colors to coordinate perfectly with those papers. And here are all of our papers. Our fun 3x4 journaling card with a really beautiful plaid. Floral with our green and cream. A cute little tree lot. Everybody likes going to go pick their Christmas tree with that fun red and cream stripe. A 4x6 journaling card, and you're going to get really cute 2x2 accent squares with that Christmas floral on the back. Our beautiful red and cream snowflake with our holly and berry branches. Everybody likes the cute little crate with that farm fresh Christmas trees, that beautiful wood grain. Everybody likes the cute little Christmas, that cute snowman, your trees with that beautiful dot. Our border strips with that Santa sleigh. All of our cute Christmas words here, and those beautiful presents with those bows. Your stockings with your beautiful green and cream plaid on the back. Your 4x4 journaling cards. Those cute Christmas boots. Your cute peace, cheer, joy wreaths with that red fun pattern. Next, you're going to see our chipboard accents, that really fun deer, your truck, your cute Be Merry wreath, and your chipboard phrases. These are awesome for cards and tags and Christmas gifts. Next, you're going to see our embossing folders, this beautiful snowflake, a beautiful script Merry Christmas, and our holly berry and branches. Next, you're going to see our 6x6 paper pad. Here, this really cute dot for a cute Christmas snow. Your beautiful snowflakes again. And your holly and berry branch stencils. Next, you're going to see our enamel dots. I love these for any project. Our decorative brads with those cute chipboards on the bottom and these cute little accent shapes in the middle. And our new puffy sticker skew. After that, you're going to see our washi tape. It's that cute plaid, your greenery, your cute floral on a cute wood grain, your red plaid, Santa sleigh, and those cute jars in that little cute wood crate. Next, you're going to see our Cozy Snowflakes die set, our Merry Christmas word die set, Tree Farm Greenery die set. Our die and stamp set includes 7 coordinating dies and 24 stamps. And last but not least, our 4x6 stamp. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to shop our new collections coming to you soon.